Hello and welcome to issue 26 of the Build Your Own 3D printer. That's what I've got so far. Take out the magazine. Usual web access code. Go to 3dprintercollection.com. Show you about the design files for that's for. Making clay, you can is reimagining those most ancient and essential materials, ceramics. Clay, water, heat. Oliver Van Herbert stands next to his printer, which can be up to 80 centimeters tall and 42 centimeters wide. The shelves on the far wall are stacked with his inspiring 3D printer collections. So it looks like nowadays you can print anything with anything. Some nice Wedgwood terrain based on a design on an early 18th century Wedgwood terrain. 3D printing increases the opportunity of experiment and innovation in ceramics. Orientation is the 3D tutorial. Like some sort of table shelf bit you can build. Disassembling a stack. So this is the 3D design tutorial. You can build, I'm not sure what this is. This is the bits what we need to fix onto. Shaft fix and base, the Z shaft, and some nuts and bolts. So I think we've done earlier. Right, we've done one shaft there, and we've done another two there. So I think that will probably go on that side there. By the looks of things, this is the design files for that. The web access code. Simple Train Part 2, Octopus, solitaire game, quite fun to play. A tablet stand. Scanning basics, and you can like scan things and then reprint them out. Don't know why you want to do that. 3D scanning has become a more affordable hobby for amateurs users, becoming proficient, and that scanning takes trials and error, so help you get equipped with it. Here's some more helpful tips for using a handheld scanner. So you can, simply like scan things and then print them out again. Don't know why you want to do that, but hey. And next week, probably the same thing as this week, by the looks of things. So maybe if I put this on its side, go back to the page. So that's the Z shaft. Why so fiddly? Okay, let's turn this round. That's right, so basically, which side does it go? So it looks like that goes there. Let's this slightly better. Seems to have lots of these shaft bits, this does. It's basically the same thing as last week, I think it was. So it looks like if that goes, I think you get the basic idea, but let's just fit these two little nuts in there. That goes in there. So basically it looks like that. And there should be a little motor there. So that spins across there. I think I'm missing an issue. Should be a little motor just there, I think. Spins that around. So slowly getting there, bit by bit. That's a stand there, feet. So some more bits next week. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.